Hi parents, meet the electric nasal aspirator designed to clear your baby's nasal passages quickly and easily. With 9 adjustable suction levels, it offers hospital-grade power for safe and effective mucus removal. Its one-handed operation means no more uncomfortable mouth suction or struggling with your little one. The device includes 3 food-grade silicone tips and an anti-reflux design to ensure hygiene and easy cleaning. Plus, the compact, USB rechargeable design fits perfectly in diaper bags for on-the-go use. It also features a soothing night light with 3 brightness levels and calming lullabies to help your baby relax. Keep your baby breathing smoothly and sleeping peacefully with this premium nasal aspirator. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.